You're going to need a pair of gloves. You're going to need a hammer or a mallet. You are going to need to smooth out the grout once you put it on. You're going to need a sponge because after you finish smoothing, you need to wipe down the grout off of the mirror so it doesn't stick on there. And you're going to need this bad boy right here, which this I bought just in case I need to lift off the old Backsplash. Flex Bond is just to adhere the mirror to the wall and then the grout. You are also going to need the mirror. All right, y'all. Don't look at my dry foot. What the hell? Yay, this is the fun part. Once we finish placing all the mirrors onto the Backsplash, then we are going to apply grout so that it doesn't move or shift and stays in place. Okay guys, so I finished the placement of the mirrors on this side, and oh my god, my back is hurting. It is very time consuming, but I'm enjoying myself because I'm loving the way this is coming out so far. And I'm gonna just continue all around, and I'll just come back and show you the finished project. Okay guys, so I am super tired and I'm about to do grout work now. So I'm just gonna mix the grout and start applying it, and while I'm applying it, I'm gonna wipe it down. I got back to the camera to shut off recording and realized it stopped recording because the memory card was full. Isn't that wonderful? So you guys didn't actually get to see me apply the grout. I apologize for that. Okay guys, so I'm finished grouting. I don't know if you can see this. I finished grouting. But overall, I think I'm pretty pleased. I'm not happy with the fact that the drywall didn't actually meet up to the cupboard, as you can see here. So I went back to Home Depot. For some sort of resolution. Ta-da! So I found these because the mirror didn't go all the way up and it looked super weird. I had to then improvise, and I went to find something that I can put at the top that would kind of blend in and look good to sort of hide the space, which you'll see in the upcoming clip. So I'm just going to line these up at the top, all across the top, and I will be back to show you what the end result looks like.
You know I love music, and every time I hear something hot, it makes me want to move. It makes me want to have fun. But it's something about this joint right here. This joint right here, it makes me wanna. So I like what I see when I'm looking at you when I'm walking past the mirror. So I like what I see when I'm looking at you when I'm walking past the mirror. So I like what I see when I'm looking at you when I'm walking past the mirror.
Don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. You just gotta press that little button. Ankle hurt, doesn't cost a thing. And I hope to see you in my next one. Until then, tell somebody hello.